Welcome back, friends. And in Samsung mobile, if we are taking any screenshots, that screenshot is automatically added into the clipboard. How? I will show you what I am trying to say. Suppose I am trying to send anything. I have just taken screenshot of this, and now I want to paste here something. And when I will see the clipboard, this screenshot is automatically here. So what is the disadvantage? Many things are getting to clipboard, and what you need may get behind. So if you do not want this, what you have to do, I am going to tell you in this video very quickly. So please be with me till the end. Not wasting much of your time, just go to the Galaxy Store, download Good Lock application, search for Good Lock. I have already downloaded it, so I will just open it, otherwise you have to download. And the first thing, do not copy image to the clipboard. It will not open. Here you will find three tabs. You have to go to the Life Up tab. Here you will find Nice Shot. Just you have to download it from here. Just open it, and now this one, do not copy image to clipboard when saving. It is applied to all functions of screenshot, scroll capture, smart select and screen write. Just turn it on. Now if you are going and then taking screenshots, now see clipboard, this has not come. This was the original one. Now it will not come. I will again show you. I will take this screenshot, and now we will go back to here. Just try to see the clipboard. Nothing is here. So this is all what I wanted to tell you. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel.